this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer videos from Mac to hard drive. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly connect a hard drive or an external SSD to your Mac, your MacBook, whatever device you have, and transfer over your files, videos, photos, whatever. So to do this, you will be connecting the hard drive or the SSD to your Mac. This will be primarily done using a USB cable. Of course, if there is a different connection type that your specific hard drive uses, then just plug it in with that method instead. But for 99% of external hard drives, you will be connecting them with a USB cable. So you plug one end of the USB cable into your Mac and the other one into the hard drive or SSD. Once this is done, it should be detected and you will have access to all of its contents. So all that you have to do now is open the File Explorer and you should see it listed here. So the hard drive is going to appear at the left side of the screen. You can go over to the settings and see the currently connected drives on your Mac, and you can give it a custom name, format it, do whatever you prefer. But if all you want to do is transfer files, just find the specific file that you wish to manage, and then you can either right click on the file and choose the options to copy, move, or drag and drop. So you hold your cursor above the file, left click, hold, and then drag it into the hard drive. And once it is dragged inside, it will be copied over. You can have folders, you can organize things however you prefer, and the drive should be detected as long as it is properly connected to your Mac using a standard USB cable. If it is not detected, try a different cable or a different port and make sure that the drive is being detected. You might have to format it before you are able to use it for the first time, so check your manual to make sure that everything was set up properly. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer videos from Mac to hard drive. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.